want to take this opportunity to say thank you for watching this video. I now want to share some details with you about the design itself. First, this beautiful chandelier. We had this installed over our formal living room table. I love that it has the see-through mosaic glass. It creates an elegant flow and adds to the Greek theme. This table setting is one of two formal tables. This one is 10 foot long, a seating for 6. And as you can see, I've created a design on this table. I call this All Things Spring. As I continue to pan the camera, you will be able to see the different variations of white and gold to include the different textures or patterns that I've used to bring this design together. Because the table itself is a dark wood, of course I wanted to accent with the lighter colors. And again, white, gold, and a pop color of pink is what I've selected for this tablescape. To establish the foundation for the design, I'm using a 10-foot runner. It has a geometric pattern throughout the runner, and at the end it has tassels. This was given to me by my mother as a Christmas gift. It is perfect for spring decor. I've created several focal points within this design. To the far right, it is the Easter bunny and the illuminated egg. To the far left, it is the ginger jar with the floral stems. And in the middle is the double stacked trays with the Easter eggs. All of the Easter decor came from Home Goods. The place settings came from Home Goods with the exception of the white charger plate with the gold beads around it. It came from Hobby Lobby. The coasters came from Kirkland's. The floral stems came from Michael's. The Christmas beaded gold stem came from Hobby Lobby. I added that to give another pop of color and integrate the gold and pink as you see on the Easter eggs in the glass bowl. I wanted to carry that color scheme up to the wall. So here you see an oversized wall art that has a base wooden color similar to my table, and it is trimmed out in a gold pattern as in the gold in the design. That elevates up to the beautiful chandelier that we got from Lamps Plus that has the mosaic see-through clear glass bulbs. that add a touch of elegance and complements our Greek-inspired theme. Thanks again for watching, and thanks for supporting me via these home decor videos. If you are not a subscriber to Freddie King's home decor team, please hit that subscribe button and join the kingdom. Again, until next time, bye-bye.